We prepare 2 screens. Make sure all clamps are open. Place the screen with cardboard side down. First grab a long fixing pin. Click this into a long side of the screen and press firmly. Then click the other long fixing pin on the other side. Then click the short fixing pin into the short side of the screen. Do this for the second short fixing pin as well. Click all the clamps closed. Now you see the screen stretched very tight. Looks like a drum. Turn the screen over. Now remove the cardboard from the screen. This can sometimes be very difficult because the glue is quite stuck. Like in this case. A tip: use a hairdryer to soften the glue, making it easier to remove the cardboard. Remove all cardboard that is stuck to the screen. Then take a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and rub the residue away from the glue. We use the XTOOL P2 to engrave the screens. Open the riser base. Remove the base plate from the riser base. Look at slot 1A of the riser base. Turn the base plate upside down and place it in slot 1A of the riser base. Here we use the XTOOL P2 fixture to place the screens. In the description below this video you can find the link to make the fixture yourself. The fixture has one long leg, which must be placed in the recess of the upside-down base plate. Push the fixture against the base plate until it stops. Now we place the screen in the fixture. Make sure the fixture is snug against the edge of the base plate recess. Open XTOOL Design Space. Here we use the software version v2.0.117. This version has a number of new modes, including screen preparation. This is very easy because all settings for screen printing are already set. Open your project. Make sure you place the design mirror image on the screen. Click on Mode on the right side of Design Space and choose the new option for screen preparation. Then we measure the distance. Here we have a 2-layer design. Make sure which layer you want to engrave first is listed first. At the bottom left of Design Space you will see a black and red dot and the layer menu. Here you can change the order of the layers by simply clicking and holding on the color, and then moving it up or down. The top layer is engraved first. Keep enough distance from the top and sides of the screen, then you can easily squeeze the ink. Now we engrave the design. Click on the Process button at the bottom right. With the Screen Preparation option, the first layer is automatically engraved first, the laser is put on pause, and you can place the second screen in the P2 for the second layer. In the upper right corner there is the Start button. Click on Start to engrave the first layer. Then push the Power button on the XTOOL P2. After the first screen is finished, remove the screen from the XTOOL P2. Place a new screen in the fixture. Then click Start to engrave the second layer. Now we are going to print a t-shirt. Place the t-shirt on the screen printer. Attach the engraved screen to the screen printer. Press the screen down and secure the screen with the rotary knob at the back right of the screen printer. Stir the ink well with a spatula, then apply ink to the back of the screen. Make a line of ink as wide as the design is. Pull the screen up slightly at an angle, and use a squeegee to fill the design. Then press the screen down and squeegee the ink across the screen twice with some pressure. Because we are putting on a second layer, we need to dry the just applied ink with a hairdryer. Place the second screen on the screen printer. Press down and secure. Now you can adjust the screen with the buttons. Stir the ink with the spatula. Dab the ink on the back of the design. Pull the screen up slightly at an angle and use a squeegee to fill the design. Then press the screen down and squeegee the ink across the screen twice with some pressure. Once you have applied the second layer, it is wise to dry it with a hairdryer before removing the t-shirt from the screen printer. You can print this design in different materials. Here is a tote bag with the Just a Laugh design. Thanks for looking and good luck with your own screen printer project.